Hi again, come make another Sanrio keycap with me. Today I'm going to be making this super adorable frog Keroppi. I feel like I never see him in the blind boxes, but I still think that he's super cute. What other Sanrio characters should I make? This is what I meant when I said my keyboard was at an angle, so it's hard to fit the keycaps, but I made it work. Thanks for watching.